gonna make our candied pecans. Super simple, you just do them here in a pan. It's brown sugar, pecans, salt, cinnamon, vanilla, and a little bit of water. Super simple. We're gonna heat up the sugar, the water, and the spices. Let it get all nice and gooey. Pour in our pecans, toss them around, set them on some parchment paper to cool. Easy peasy pecan squeezy. That don't make sense. Oh well. Brown sugar. Salt and cinnamon. Tiny bit of vanilla. And just a splash of water. Pecans. Toss them and coat them.
These damn things are addictive. Be careful. If you leave them around the house, you will be constantly walking over. Grab one, eat one. 2 minutes later, oh, those are over there. You grab one of those and eat those. 2 more minutes later, grab another. You can't stop. It's like crack. Not really crack, but you know.
For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.